What's something people don't know about stock picking? Trendlyne's DVM score could be your new best friend. The Delivery Volume Momentum, or DVM score, helps you spot stocks with strong buying pressure. Higher scores mean more investors are buying, hinting at potential growth. First, log into your Trendlyne account. No account? No problem, sign up for free. Next, search for your stock by name or ticker symbol. The DVM score will be right there on the overview page. A high DVM score, closer to 100, signals strong buying interest. A low score, nearer to 0, suggests weaker demand. But don't stop there. Check the company's finances, chart patterns, and market trends too. Imagine a tech stock with a DVM score of 95. Looks promising, right? But always do your homework before jumping in. Trendlyne's DVM score is your ticket to smarter stock picks. Ready to make informed decisions? Start using it today.